Wow! It's high season, it's peak season for traveling. Normally the Christmas period, the New Year period, a lot of people will travel, go overseas. Normally that means taking an airplane. Maybe taking an airplane for a very long time. So when we fly internationally, we normally have two kinds of flights. One is the good one. It's called the direct flight. A direct flight means you start and you finish and just go straight there. But many times when we fly out of Taiwan to another country, it's not a direct flight, which means we don't start here and finish here direct. We have to go to another airport or another country first. So how do we say this? If we are going to fly from Taipei to Sydney in Australia, if it's a direct flight, we would say, oh, I have a direct flight from Taipei to Sydney. Easy. But many times it's not like that. Maybe you have to go to Hong Kong first. So you would say, I'm flying from Taipei to Sydney via Hong Kong. Okay, so we say via. Now, when we land in Hong Kong, maybe you'll get off the plane. Maybe you'll get off the plane for a long time, maybe 4 hours, maybe even one day. So this period of time, we will say you are having a layover or a stopover in Hong Kong. Actually, a stopover is much longer than a layover. Maybe a layover, only 3-4 hours. Or a stopover, maybe one day. So you might say, I'm flying from Taipei to Sydney via Hong Kong. Really? Yes, I have a 4-hour layover in Hong Kong. What are you going to do in Hong Kong for 4 hours? Shopping. Okay, hope you have a safe flight if you go overseas. Bye!